We're now to Caldiga for the second round. 2 days. Langon Gubing of Cave. Filipino guest. Caldiga. Stop there, Gulf Chalettery. Para.
Good job.
Okay, ready. Going down. Okay, right now. Let's go. We get our bag there. Okay, motor bag is here. Ready to go. Yeah. See you. Ano yan?
Sandali lang po.
So back to the Langon Gubing of Cave for the second round of caving. Another 2 days, Langon Gubing of Cave. Yeah, they arrived now here. Jump off point. Okay, it's not a jump off point. That's Lando, our guide. Lando, our guide also.
Ay, magandang umano po, ma'am. Lando po. Ana? Lando po ako. Ang kasama ko sa akin. Parang apat po.
Ano yung bag niya? Okay. Hiking, going to the biggest cave in the Philippines. Okay, ready? So follow Kuya Lando. Oh. Sige, Dan. Salamat. See you na boss. Bye-bye. Hiking now. Yeah, walking again. Going out to the viewing deck. Yeah. Nice. See now the viewing deck. So I'm gonna see now the cave. Gubing of Cave. Deck. Overlooking the cave. Yeah, viewing deck. Again, continue. Kuya Lando there. Watch your head. Oh, kahoy, watch your head. Wala, watch your head. Okay, hawak. Oh, malamig din.
Hindi naman sobra.
Hindi naman. Okay lang. Okay, we're now at the main entrance. So, Gubing of entrance. Gonna prepare here. Gonna have our lunch and orientation. At our orientation regarding caving. So, we're gonna speak about history, safety, and conservation. Yeah. We're hitting our food. Okay, ready for our orientation. Okay, let's go. Okay, lunchtime. Then orientation. Chicken. Or Bangon Gabingog Cave. Floor now.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. The time now is already 12:44. We're now entering the cave. Gubingog first. Let's go. Follow Lando. Okay. Okay. Entering down the cave for the second round. Go. Yeah, nice. Nice. The opening there. Wala yung sekta. Many insect flying around. Going out in the cave. Where are you going? Cricket, where are you going? Go back to the cave. Opening there. Nice. There. Kala ko dalas. Okay. Here. The opening. See? It's windy. See? So it's windy. Wow, nice. Like an Arcan. I like that. It's windy here. The entrance of Gabingog. Like the window. Going inside now. Nice one. It's windy. T-shirt. Parang bagyo. There. The snakes here. One here, the other one is there at the top. Other top snake. Big chamber now. Big. Big chamber. Wait. Take a rest. Take a rest first. So we're here in the towering stalagmite, Gubingov Cave. Yeah, now we go to stage. Ready? Let's go. This stage. Hmm. Yeah, close done. Insect lang na siya. Yeah, shiny. Shine like diamonds. Shine like diamond. Shine like diamond. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Robo field. Natural pool. Fine fish.
Pwede pa po lumapit.
Big chandelier. Yeah, big chandelier. Mabilis siya tumakbo. Mas baba doon sa kabila. Oh. Okay, going now to Langon Cave, to the vertical area. Hindi lumalangoy. So now the vertical area, going down to Langon Cave, ready for descent. Gonna rock climbing going down. Oh, no. So to the vertical.
Sa likod pa rin.
Oo, mas madali.
Parang ayoko tumingin.
Yan ang patalikod ka ba ba? Talikod. Yeah. Wala yung isang paa.
Okay, vertical. Oh, smile picture. 1, 2. Okay, sige, follow. Sige, oh, sige. Atras ka lang, baba lang yan. Okay, smile. Off your light. Baba. 1, 2. Sige, follow kay Lando, open your light. Okay, going to lang. Sige, diretso lang. Dali. So, welcome to Langon Cave. May stalagmite. Towering stalagmite.
Okay.
Mayroon din na ligid may.
Beautiful. Stalagmite. Beautiful. Coral. Beautiful coral. Beautiful. Stalagmite. Very tall. Okay. Continue. So we're now here at the forest of stalagmites. Yeah, like a forest. Mini stalagmite. Okay.
Maraming bato sa baba. Ibig sabihin po, ibig sabihin parang
Forest of stalagmite. Forest of stalagmite. Going now to Tita Chamber. Yes. Tita Chamber now. Now, going to the Tita Chamber there. Okay, dandahan lang, baka matumba. Oh, sige. Sige.
Delikado pag ano kayo. Slide tape mo. Yung parang basta wag lang ma.
Tita Chamber na. That's it. Up. Yeah, giant stalactite. Chandelier stalactite. Malalaki. Already reaching the floor of the cave. Malalaki. Okay.
Dito tayo nakaka.
See the light. Going out to Langon campsite. So we're here in Madhurapur chamber. It's a big chamber here. Cannot see anymore. One crater now. Okay, going out to the butt shit. Bat fall down. Yeah. Now the butt shit. Yeah. Time for walking the butt shit. Cockroach. Yeah, the guano. Walking the guano.
Dito kasi yan, malalim yan. Lulubog yung sapatos niya.
Walking sideway. Okay, walking the guano. The bat poo. Sideway. You're walking the bat poop. Okay, kunin mo muna yung isang paa. Yan, sige.
Nalibing. Fertilizer kasi ito.
Don't forget, don't touch your face.
Yan, okay. Sige, magpang ka na lang. Tanggalin mo ang sapatos. Para madali yung paglakad. Sige, bitbitin lang. Sige, bitbitin lang muna. Sige, sunod lang kay Lando. Okay.
Mabigat. Magaling yung paasar.
Going to the camp. There's our camp there. Still have our tent. Out the exit of Langon Cave. Made it. We passed the bat shit. Congratulations. So guano fit. Guano trek. So we're going out to the camp there. Okay, we're now in the camp now. Our tent there. Okay, gonna set up our camp here. Alright. Bat watching. Bats are coming out now. Thousands. There. And then going out now. There, here. Yeah, going out now. Thousands. Third batch coming out. This is more many. So third batch now. Mm. And preparing our plate for ready for dinner later. Sige, so napasok yan.
Para magpasok.
Ano ito napasok na? Last na
Last na eh.
Kain na. Yeah, sige, kuhan lang kayo. Dinner time. Okay, kain na. Floor,
Oh, ready na.
lower lang on, snack room.
Ready na.
Kayo ready na?
Ready.
Okay, palo na lang kay Lando. Ito lang tayo. Going out to the snake room. Bapak. Ya. Okay. Okay, stop. Okay, ano ba snake room? So, magsa-sideway kayo pagpapasok para patagilid. O, kasi kung paharap, medyo hindi kayo kakasya. Tapos hihiga kayo para makapasok agad. Ganun lang. Tapos mapupush kayo sa sarili nyo. Hanggang makahampas kayo. Sige, next. Hindi naman. Diyan lang sa unahan. Malaki na doon sa likod. Sige, kapit ka muna. Doon. Yan. Sige. Akyat diretso sa taas. Ilagay mo pa mo sa taas yan. Sige. Tapos sideways kapag one.
Sideways na
Oo, paganyan.
Pabaliktad ko.
Paganyan. Kaliwa. Oo. Yan, sige. Tapos higa. Sige, tapos higa. Gapang mo. Hindi mga bird yan. Take your time.
Ito mo balikan niyo mga mo.
River trekking. Blind crab. Here na the terraces. Beautiful here. Ito na water terraces. Yeah, water terraces. Mga water terraces. Yeah, we just stop here in the water terraces. Natural bathtub. Cleaning. Water terraces. Laundry there. Chandelier there. Chandelier. There, swimming. Natural pool. Ikaw lang daw, di ka maparigo.
Ayaw, dire ako. Magpapala ako.
Labarla.
Magpapala ako.
Yan mga chandelier. Chandelier. The hanging chandelier.
Kung babagyo, kunwari bagyo, di ba?
Very nice. Straw. Straw formation. Very nice. Very fragile. Straw. Stalactite.
Na maliliit.
Okay, okay.
Dito lang sa gilid banda. Masyadong malalim. Dito sa gilid malalim.
Hop, hop. Okay. Bago na yung malugan. Okay, gapang ulit. Snake room. Okay. Ganyan lang yung technique. Ayan, higa. Tapos push.
Masikip. Maganda.
Romancing the rock.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, malapit na. You will born again. Now we're already back to the camp. Time for sleeping. Just finish our exploring in lower part of Lamon Cave. Yeah. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow. Good night, Lando.
Good night.
See you tomorrow.
Ito. Morning. Morning, everybody. Now it's already 7 o'clock in the morning. Time for breakfast. I don't know, coffee time. Opening the game. Exit. Okay, coffee time. Okay, breakfast time. Morning na. Kainan na ulit. Ganito lang yung life dito sa cave. Caving, eating, sleeping. Repeat. Oo. Oh, Pilipino.
Yan si Marcel.
Going out in the cave. So time for mountain climbing. We're done our caving. Now mountain climbing. Let's go. Follow Kuya Lando. Okay. Exit. Go out. Going out to Mapaso Spring. So we're gonna walk for almost 3 hours. And we go to Mapaso for washing and back to Rochelle 3 for lunch. Mountain climbing. After caving, mountain climbing now. I'm out in the cave. Bye bye Langon Cave. See you next time. Bye bye Caving Summer, because in few days going to canyoning in Biliran for more than 2 weeks with the French canyoneer. So time for canyoning in Biliran. See you Biliran Island. Sunlime mountain climbing. Continue our climbing. We're gonna climb this mountain all the way to the top and walk go all the way to Mapaso Spring. For mountain climbing. So 30 minutes up. Ulit. This plant, beautiful plant, like a plastic. The insect. Flower. Ano itong what kind of flower? Bito here along the trail. Resting. Snack time. Will be good there.
Pero ihahabay-habay kasi natin galing dun sa spring.
Oh, dyan.
Then, walang parang di ba yung silip paghalaman? Walang plastic.
No. Okay. Nice. Nice plant. Flower, beautiful. Found beautiful flower, violet and white combination. Very unique. Nice. Flower. Okay, welcome to Sitio Mapaso, Barangay Pulangi. Time for washing now in Mapaso Spring. Wash up now. Yeah, we're back to the road there. Okay, appear. Yeah! Sige, tayo mag-washing. Yeah, washing. Refreshing time. Refreshing na. Relaxing. Okay. Ha? Ano na? Okay. This is the biggest cave with the bat shit. Ngayon wala nang bat shit. Malinisan na kasi.
Hanggang tuhod.
Oo.
Pati braso ko, puno.
Hindi nyo na mabilang sir ang
Okay. Motor bike now here. Okay. Ready to Rochelle? Let's go. Lunchtime. Okay. Ready now to Rochelle. Okay, hinay-hinay. Okay. Hop. Tapos na rider. Okay, rider.
Hello.
Eatery, time for eating the native chicken tinola. Very yummy. Yeah. Specialty in Calbiga. So, lunchtime. Enjoy. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Oh, dali. Kita. Okay. So, lunchtime at Rochelle Eatery. After 2 days caving. Yeah. Eat all you can. Okay. Paya, paya. Lumabas. Katbalogan. Way now to Katbalogan. So see you later, Katbalogan.